Back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss some basics what happened in today's market. We'll start with the pre-open market. So it was a flat open for Nifty, although it's a gap down, it's a small gap, so we'll consider that as a flat open. And we check all stocks because to know the sentiment of market, whether it is bullish or bearish. So you could see 800 and 700, so it is in the decision phase. Okay, now we'll move to the equities. On the positive side, we have IndusInd Bank 4% up, 2% Titan, and Trent is 1% up. On the negative side, we have TCS, Adani, and HUL with 1% down each. Okay, so FII data is very important. So this actually gives the clues on how FII is working. So they are very bearish because buy is 34, but 133 is on sell, so almost 3x times, more than 3x times actually, to precise. Call writing is 46, put writing is 43, so this is okay. So through options they are indicating sideways move. For futures they are very bearish. For okay, this is only for index stocks, you can check for yourself. Now we'll move to the economic calendar. Okay, so today Fed news, almost that would be a negative. That's why market had an inverted V-shaped recovery, and nothing much of Indian news coming up this week. So we'll move on to stocks. So 17, 19 and 20. So we'll check 19 and 20. Tata.com and yeah, all these stocks are giving dividends. So this should not be able to move Nifty in any way because none of the Nifty 50 stocks are there. So we'll go and check how the OI is telling. So this is clearly profit booking. Put writing done is profit booking, but call writing is adding on, which actually gives a negative sentiment. If profit booking happens, it will go up. So next week is monthly expiry. We'll check that as well. So this is clearly a sideways indication, exactly at 24,900. All the straddle builders are there, and this is also indicating a indecisiveness in the market. Okay, we'll wait and watch. Next is Bank Nifty, Finnifty, and Midcap Nifty. You can check for yourself. Exactly same pattern. Okay, here also you see indicating a sideways, not much of a difference, though this is on the higher edge. Here it is kind of sideways stay or a seller stay, to be precise. Okay, now we'll move to the trading tick here. So we'll do a small price action comparison here with the price action straddle movement. Okay, so we know Nifty open Nifty open is 750. We'll take the 750 exactly in the middle. So as you could see, this is the price action. So moving up, down, and went sideways. Here also moving up, down, and the decay has started. So this part has majorly contributed to the decay here. Okay, so it's a positive decay. So this is open and this is close. The difference times 75, which is the one lot, will give you profit for one lot. Okay, so you can try as many as you want. We'll go and check for Bank Nifty, Finnifty, and Midcap Nifty. You can check for yourself. Okay, I'll just check for next week as well. So this is the condition you could see. Why I'm checking for next week? Because we're having monthly expiry, which is kind of very important. So it's 5550. We'll take 600 itself. So this is also a loss. So 555 would be definitely a loss, but a slight loss or a break even. So open is here, close is here. You could see it was kind of sideways, though sideways because of the sudden moves. It was a negative decay day. Okay, so I pretty much covered everything, guys. That's it. Thank you.